Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Well, these side hustles can help you start earning extra income even if you're starting right from zero. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially start building their online business using digital marketing so that you can create extra income for yourself, for your family, create more financial freedom as well as time. So if you're looking for a way to start earning more income without sacrificing your family and your time, you're in the right place, you're on the right video, because I'm going to share some detailed side hustles that will help you achieve those. Help you take back control of your time, your finances. So let's dive in. All right, the first side hustle is freelance writing. Freelance writing is great. This one here works simply because there are lots of businesses. There are many businesses out there that are looking for writers. They're looking for articles to be done. They are looking for work to be done for their business, and so hiring a freelance writer is the ultimate thing for them to be doing. It is key. That's exactly what they're looking for. Now you can spend your time, you can do this on, in your spare time, your part-time, whenever. That's the beautiful thing about doing freelance writing, because you can do it at your own schedule. Now you can be doing social media posts, you can be writing articles, you can be writing press releases, you can be writing social media posts, website copy, email campaigns, ads, all sorts of things that you can be writing in your time. It's flexible. It gives you the flexibility to be able to do this writing when you want. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to actually get started doing some freelance writing. Step one, what you want to do is you want to pick your niche, of course, okay? So you've got your niche and what you like to write about, all right? But then you want to start building up a portfolio. You want to build a portfolio of your current work, all the different projects that you've done. Yeah, but I don't have any projects, you might be thinking. I haven't done anything. Well, then that's why you need to do some. Well, all you got to do is just do something. Like, well, what do you want to do? Or do you want to write people some blog posts? Do you want to do some social media posts? Do you want to write some articles? Do you want to do those type of writing projects? Well, then whether you have a customer or client or anybody that actually wants to pay for it right away, you do it anyways. You just pick a few niches, you pick a few companies, you pick a few ideas, and you just do the writing for free. You're not going to send it to anybody, but you're going to do the writing and create a portfolio of this work. It's your sample work. Whether you're giving it to somebody or not, you're just creating it for the whole purpose of doing a portfolio of your work. Does that make sense? So the next step, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go out and you want to find your clients. You want to find people that are going to want to purchase your services, your freelance writing services, okay? Now, where are you going to find these? Well, you're going to go to different platforms such as Fiverr, Scriptlance, Freelance. You're going to go to these Upwork. You're going to go to these different freelance websites. In fact, you can just do a search. There's probably a whole lot more of them out there, in fact. You can go to these websites, these platforms that are people that are looking for freelance writers, all sorts of different freelance work, but freelance writing. And then you're going to go on there, and this is where you're going to register on these platforms so that you could display your portfolio of your work, okay? So that you can find these clients. And then the next thing that you're going to do once you're on these platforms, you're registered and you're listing your portfolio there, of course, you're going to want to set some prices, set some rates for your freelance writing, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to search on the platform. You're going to look at all the different competitors. You're going to look at the different people on offering similar services, because you don't want to go way cheaper. You don't want to go way more expensive. You kind of want to keep it in that range, but that gives you an idea of what it is that you need to offer for your rates, for your pricing, okay? Quite often you'll see like 5 cents a word, 10 cents a word, a couple cents. It all really depends, okay, on how you're going to do your rates and for your pricing for that. But that's really the process of what you're going to do for that on those platforms. And then of course, here's a few pro tips. You could always take some courses, brush up on your skills, improve, become a more master, develop mastery in your skills and what you are actually doing with freelance writing. And that comes with, learning more about CE or SEO and stuff like that, so that you can really optimize your profile, your portfolio optimize your work as well that you are doing for people. Okay, so you want to get all of that done by really improving your skills continuously. But you can get started right away, but then it's probably the best thing I would always suggest is always keep on learning these skills. And now the next side hustle, this one is great because especially, following freelance writing is this: sell digital products, okay? Sell digital products online. This is probably one of the best side hustles that you can do because, for example, going back on the freelance writing, if you're doing freelance writing, for example, and you're able to start, get your work out there, get some clients, do all that sort of thing, well, now you've developed some skills and you've got some good skills on doing freelance writing. Well, what you can do next is you can actually package that knowledge, that information. You're packaging some information that your knowledge, and now you could sell your knowledge in the form of an ebook or a guide, something like that. Okay, does that make sense? So you can sell your knowledge. You're creating a digital product that people can come and purchase from you because they want to learn those skills. Just like I said, the pro tip is you should go out there and you can keep learn more and more about your niche. You learn and develop your skills, become a master with your skills. Well, once you're going to go and purchase this stuff, right? You purchase this course. Well, now that once you've gotten good at it, you can now take your skills and you can package that up as a digital product, and then you can sell your knowledge. So that's an example of a great digital product that you can create and you could sell. Now you can also go and get PLR products and master resale right products, and you could sell those as digital products. It's a nice way to start off, but the best thing that you should be doing is be creating your own products, and it's really not that hard these days, especially with AI, okay, to be able to create products. Just make sure it's a good quality product when you are creating it and using AI, okay? Other types of products is you could create trackers, calendars, planners, all that sort of stuff you can create. Those are digital products, and you can list them and you can sell them. Where could you go to sell this stuff? You can go to like Etsy and you can sell them on Etsy. Or you can optimize, you can get a website, build yourself a simple website, optimize your website, have people come to your website, promote it using TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Use different social media platforms to promote and drive traffic to your website to get customers to buy your digital products. So that's the next great side hustle that you can be doing. And then the next side hustle that I would recommend that you can do, a great side hustle, very easy, very simple, especially for beginners, is affiliate marketing. You see, you don't need to go and create products. You don't need to buy any rights to a product or anything like that. In fact, you don't even need to pay to join to buy anything with affiliate marketing. All you need to do is you need to go to a website that offers a product for sale or service and find out if they offer a affiliate program attached to that. And all an affiliate program is, or all affiliate marketing is just being an online, usually online is what we're speaking about here, right? But it offers an online sales position for commission, okay? So you are able to grab a link for a product and service, okay? And then you promote that link, and when somebody comes to your website through that link and they purchase through that link, that tracks you as the person who brought that traffic, referred that person to that product or service, and then when they purchase that product or service through your link, you get a commission. Now, most often, you do not need to pay to be an affiliate. You can just go to the website, like I said, look into their partner program, look into their affiliate program, and then sign up by entering your information or whatever that you need, and then grab the link and promote it. Now, you could also go to affiliate networks, okay, such as Warrior Plus, JVZoo, ClickBank, okay? There's a whole bunch of different affiliate networks. Just go to Google, start searching for affiliate networks, affiliate platforms that you can go and find affiliate products, even Amazon, right? Go to these affiliate networks and find the products and services that are in your niche. Once you've discovered, you determine what your niche is, what interests you, then you can sign up for an affiliate program, grab the links, and promote those links. And then, of course, another side hustle that I want to mention is online course creation. Okay, this goes back to even the first two side hustles that I've been talking about, is you could package up your knowledge and you could resell your knowledge in the form of a course. Courses are very popular. They're very profitable. Why? Because people are in the search. They're looking for education. They're looking to develop their skills. They're looking for how to be doing things. How do you accomplish something? All right, now there's a lot of free information out there, but people are also looking to purchase the information. They're looking for mentors, they're looking for coaches, they're looking for people that have actually gone through the process and are willing to teach them something. Okay, so they're willing to pay for a package deal with everything put together in one place, one easy way to go through all the information. Because sometimes, and quite often, most of the time, you get what you pay for. You can go to YouTube University like this and you can learn all these ideas. You can learn and you could search online and you can find out how to do a lot of things. But if you don't know what you don't know what to search for. And so therefore, you're still kind of lost. A needle in a haystack type of thing. So people are, in fact, needing good courses for whatever your niche is. Whatever your niche is, you're developing, you have the skills, you have the knowledge. All you need to do is to take it from your head and put it on paper, or put it on a document, put it in videos, and create a course that you can resell, or that you could sell in the first place, packaging up your knowledge and selling your knowledge in an information product. That is a course, okay? Now, courses are a little bit more developed, a little bit more extensive than just a quick ebook or a guide, right? You got a full meal deal course, okay? And with these courses, you could actually even break them down into little guides, little ebooks, mini courses, and then have your big course is what you can be doing, right? Makes sense? So there you go. There are some detailed, some side hustles that you can go ahead, you can start learning, you can start implementing these side hustles. Let me know, did you find any value in this content? Let me know, do any of these side hustles here that I just mentioned inspire you? They inspire you to start taking action? You want to go ahead and start applying any of these side hustles? Let me know which one was your favorite one. Okay, I'm interested to know what is your favorite one. And if you are interested at all, you want to learn more about some more trends, that are happening in digital marketing, I have another video that is up here, all right, that's going to speak of the trends this year, the trends in digital marketing that you might want to know about.